Hello there everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Spellbinders card kit of the month. These are their quick and easy card kits, and this one is called Spreading Happiness. Boy, I'm telling you. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at what's inside. But let me start by pulling out the card that always comes in the kit. So here it is. This is the card that is going to give you the name, and it's going to tell you everything that comes in the kit. I can already tell you I really think that's cute. I love that color combo. That's fun. And then on the back, it's also going to give you a step-by-step on how to make this card. So that's cool. So let's jump in. I'm going to start with the staples, the things that always come in the kit. You are going to get a roll of double-sided adhesive, and you'll also get some foam squares. Those are great. You can even use the leftover pieces. As you can see, I've been doing that here. Yeah, so you get that. You'll also get, in every kit, 8 card blanks and envelopes. So these are A2 size, which means that they are 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches when they are all closed up. And so you get the matching envelopes to go along with it. So 8 cards right out of the gate, which is awesome. Then, and now this is where it gets a little different. I'm going to pull out those pieces. All right, let's, oh wow, that is a big embellishment pack. Check that out. You get, oh, there's some cute little like clay clouds in there, and you get some little sprinkles. You also get some clear sequins in there. This is really a fun mix. I think that's really pretty. And there's a lot in there, so you can make a ton of shakers. Ooh, I like it. All right, let's take a look at the paper pad. I don't remember. Well, before we do the paper pad, let's do the card panels. So you're going to get 20 A2 size card panels, and it looks like you'll get 4 in each of these colors. So you're going to get 4 in a white. You'll get 4 in this like salmon color. You'll get 4 in that light green, 4 in that navy blue, and 4 in that light blue. This is a very pretty palette. I can tell you I'm already super excited about that. And so that's going to give you an idea of what our color palette is. So now we'll bring in our pattern paper. Because I don't ever count it. But I don't know how much is in there. It's always 1 per, and these are great layering papers. Ooh, pretty. That's got some gold foil hearts. This one has some little gold X's on there. Flowers. Oh, I like that green. Ooh, that's cool. Some more flowers. I like the little frogs. Oh, that's a pretty green too. Ooh, rainbows. Flowers, some stripes. Some really cool patterns. Ooh, I like that. So I really love that color. Ooh, that's neat too. Very pretty. Dragonflies. You got some words on that one. It says life is crazy, life is simple, life is good. That's fun. That's a really pretty color palette, I think, for May. I'm excited about that. Very pretty. Okay, so we'll put all those up and move on to some of the other stuff in the kit. So you're also going to get, in this kit, you're going to get some more chipboard stickers. So far, it seems like that is a staple in each of the kits as well, is these chipboard stickers, which are great because they're self-adhesive, and that's fun. How cute the little houses. You got treasured, beautiful you, wonderful, and family. One of the things I do like about these kits, now I don't do a lot of scrapbooking, but if you are a scrapbooker, you wouldn't just have to make cards. You are going to have, even if you make all 8 cards, you're going to have plenty of stuff left over to embellish your scrapbook pages as well. That little frog is so cute. Frames, I like that. Very pretty. Super cute. Okay, so those are fun. You're also going to get, looks like puffy ampersand stickers. That's cool. A lot of options there. And then you're also going to get some puppy sentiment stickers. Lots of sentiments here. This is a happy day. Oh, hello there. So charming. Congratulations. You've got oh so lovely, adored, smile, the little moments, never forget this, precious memories, this is our story today, always better together, there's nothing better, hello, like no other, cutie, you are loved, oh happy day, so thankful for you, your time to shine, live your best life, and happy times. So those are great. And then last but not least, you get a bunch of ephemera. I don't even know how many are in here, but there's always a lot. Lots of die cut shapes. And there's always 2 per. So whatever the design is, you'll get 2 of it. And I'm just going to quickly kind of just move these around so you get an idea. Lots of florals in here. That's great. You get some little borders. That's fun. I love that frog. So cute. Little cake, lily pads. There's a lot of cuteness in this for sure. Little mouse. Ah, so cute. Tons of florals in here, so that's cool. Lots of little pieces too. I don't even know how many pieces you get, but it's usually 2 of each. And yeah, you have enough ephemera in here to make cards for days. Cards for days. All right, so stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to share several cards that I will have made with this kit. So yeah, stick around. All right. My first card is a full front shaker. So this used some of the plastic packaging that came in there, and I used obviously lots of the embellishment that's in there as well, and a little bit of ephemera on the outside. It's a flat shaker, so it's an easy mailer. My second card uses some chipboard stickers, some ephemera, and another one of those puffy stickers, and I think this one turned out really cute. This third card is not necessarily my favorite. I struggled with it. I do like how it turned out, but this is not how I was picturing it in my head. It does use a little bit of everything, so I do like that. This card is fairly simple and sweet, and I do like how this one turned out using one of those chipboard stickers and lots of ephemera. And my final card uses as many ampersand stickers as I could get on there, and I think that one actually might be my favorite. It is a fun card for sure. I'll have a link to my blog so that you can take a look at these pictures a little bit closer if that's something that you're interested in. If you like this video, hit that like button and definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.